A lot of you guys have been asking about my makeup routine lately, so I figured I would do an updated makeup routine. It's been so long. I would say at least 4 years. I don't know. It's been so long. I've been so hooked with the hair tools and the hair products and everything hair. I mean, as you can see, I literally filmed a video right before this about hair. I'm obsessed. So I'm just letting my hair set for some time and I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys. I'm actually gonna be doing a Q&A. So I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys asked on Instagram. So let's get right into it. I do have some personal questions, I have some hair questions, and some like random questions too. So let's get right into answering all these questions. This is the foundation that I use. It's from Nars. It's in the shade Sahel Medium 2.5. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. It's my favorite one and I have been using this for years now. This is really like the foundation that I use most of the time. So I add about that much and then I just add it to my face like this. I just want to say this makeup routine is like super simple, but this is what I usually do. So I figured I would film it and show you guys because you guys have been asking me a lot about my makeup routine and I haven't done a makeup routine or a Q&A in so long. So I figured right now would be the perfect time. So the first question is, what's the best product for hair growth? I would say that the best one is the Faye One Main Holy Roots. That is definitely my favorite oil for hair growth. I noticed quick results with this oil and I have to say I have been slacking with my oiling routine, especially for hair growth. So I think a lot of it could be genetics, but I do notice that whenever I use that oil, my hair looks a lot more full. So I definitely have to get on my oiling routine again. And I don't know, I've been slacking with it, but I'm gonna try to get on it again because it makes a huge difference. The first question was from Mari. Marisol asked, what are your long-term goals for your channel? I just honestly love doing what I do now. Like this is like a dream job for me. So being able to try out new tools, new products on my hair, it's just so much fun. And I love that you guys enjoy it and that it's helpful and also entertaining, I think, in a way. So I would love to connect with you guys a little bit more. I feel like I'm always just like trying tools and stuff and that's fun and everything, but I really want to connect with you guys more. And I think 2025 is going to be probably a little bit different. I will be posting a lot of hair tool videos, of course, but I also want to post more like personal stuff too. And I want to be a mom one day too. So maybe the mom vlogs can come in as well. Like maybe I'll be posting some of that too on here. So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. I'm still not pregnant by the way, but I do want to have kids soon and Kenny and I definitely want to have kids, which by the way, that was one of the questions too. One of the questions was, do you want kids? And the answer is yes, I do want kids. Maybe in 2025, who knows? But yeah, Kenny and I definitely want to grow a family. We just bought a new house and we have been married for 4 years. We've known each other for 10 years now and we feel pretty ready. I mean, I'm 30 already too. I'm not like saying that I'm old and I need to have kids ASAP, you know, like I don't want to put pressure on myself or anybody, but I do feel like ready, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm never gonna feel completely ready and that's normal, and I'm always gonna feel kind of like nervous and scared. I'm using this concealer, by the way. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour wear. This is super nice. I just put some right here, up here, and down here, and this is in the shade Amber, so 385. Really like this. I always get it from Amazon. Like I said, my makeup routine is super simple. Sometimes I get my makeup from Target, sometimes from Ulta, Sephora. I just like trying new things, and whenever I find something that works for me, I just continue to purchase it. So I'm not super picky with my makeup. What advice would you give to someone starting a YouTube channel? Okay, so starting a YouTube channel can be very nerve-wracking. You just have to do it. Post that first video, like go for it. Like I really never thought that I would have a community of people that really enjoy watching my videos and that support me. And again, I'm so grateful. Like I really never thought that this could be like my job. And I just started by posting videos because I thought it was fun and it was kind of like a hobby. I've always liked filming videos and like being in front of the camera and like modeling and stuff. So I would say just post the video. Just start by posting the video, be consistent, post every single week, at least one video a week. And with YouTube, it takes time. It takes a little bit of time to grow. So just post the videos, be positive, put a lot of energy and love into it. And also try different platforms too. Like if you like TikTok and Instagram, I would also recommend posting on there and being super consistent and just like be yourself. Really, just be yourself and post about stuff that you really like. Because if you post about stuff that you don't like, it's gonna become very like exhausting and you're gonna get burnout. For me, I just really love being in my studio and getting ready, doing my hair, trying new hair tools. Oh my god, whenever a new hair tool comes out, I want to try it right away. So just find something that you like and that you enjoy filming about, and you're gonna love it. For powder, I'm actually using this Sephora powder. Oh my god, I use this so much. This is something that I also repurchased. It's amazing. So I just put a little bit under my eyes. Again, this is like a super simple makeup. And I just try to find products that work for me and for my skin. I have very oily skin, so all the products that I'm using are for like oily skin. They're like more like matte products, like matte concealer, the matte base. I use a lot of powder. So yeah, I like to use a lot of powder products. For bronzer and for blush, I'm using powder products. Like this is the bronzer that I've been using lately. This is the Hoola Caramel. And as you can see, I've used this so much. And it's just basically a powder bronzer. So I just put this all over my face. I feel like this shade, I wish it was like a little tiny bit darker. I don't know. But at the same time, I don't know if this is just enough. Like I don't want to do too much. But I just put this on my forehead, bring it down here, and then on my jawline down here. So I put a pretty good amount. Sometimes I'll do a little bit on my nose with the same brush. The next question is, ¿cuál es tu comida favorita? Yo como buena puertorriqueña me gusta toda la fritura. Y a ti? Oh my god, what is my favorite food? She's Puerto Rican and she likes fried food. I also love fried food. Me encanta la fritura. I just like rice and chicken. Honestly, every time I go to a restaurant, I get chicken. I'm obsessed with chicken. So it's like my favorite protein. That's always what I get. That's always what I cook. Sometimes I'll make like salmon, but I love rice, beans, chicken, tostones. Oh my god, so good. For blush, as you can see, when I like something, I use it a lot, and it's very hard for me to like change it. As you can see, it is all broken, but this blush is so nice. And I have other ones, but this is from ColourPop in the shade Message Me. I've used it so much. I travel with this. I use it every day, and it's like my go-to blush. It works for me and I love it. It's not like too pink. It kind of looks very natural. I like to put a pretty good amount. As you can see, the face is starting to kind of like come together. I'm starting to look more alive, so that's nice. Next question is Dyson or Shark? Oh my god, it depends. It really depends. Like if it comes to the Air Straight, Dyson Air Straight, or the Shark Flex Fusion straightening attachment, I would go for the Dyson Air Straight. I feel like it does give me a pretty straight, sleek look, and it's more powerful. You can grab more hair with it. It is just incredible. It's like a monster. If I had to pick the Dyson Airwrap or the Shark Flex Fusion with the round brush attachment, I would pick the Shark Flex Fusion with the round brush attachment. So it really depends, honestly, because the Shark gives you very voluminous styles. Like it really gives you so much volume, but at the same time it gives you a nice smooth look. And I also love that the Shark Flex Fusion has a nozzle attachment, so sometimes if the roots are a little bit wavy, I can just smooth that out. I also really like that it brings curling barrels, so you can do different hairstyles, that you can do some curls. For brows, I'm using this from L'Oreal. Got it from Amazon. Like I said, I'm super simple with my makeup. This is in the shade Dark Brunette, and I usually like a pencil. I just brush my brows like this, and then I just kind of fill in my brows like this. And I do my own brows at home. I just pluck them. I don't like going anywhere to get my brows done because every time I go, they leave me with no brows. And I feel like I don't really have a ton of brows to begin with. So I'd rather just do it myself. Like I'll just pluck them. Waxing the brows, no. I remember in high school, I was waxing my brows. I'm gonna try to find the picture and put it in here. But oh my God, they were so thin and they just didn't look nice. And I feel like she was taking away more from one side than the other, so it kind of looked weird. The next question is, your husband helps you with your YouTube channel? Yes, he's actually probably editing this video right now. He edits all the YouTube videos. So yeah, he helps a lot. Like we are a team and we work together. So we're always home. Sometimes I go out to like work out, or he does, but we're mostly home working. And yeah, it's a nice dynamic. I really like it. I'm excited to have kids and have a family here with him. I just feel like working from home is such a blessing because especially if you both work from home, you can kind of like be more flexible and be able to spend more time with your kids. So I'm very excited for that. Marisol is coming through with these questions. I love it. She's asking the juicy questions. Yo siento que te ves más hermosa cada día desde que te casaste. That's so sweet. She said she feels like I look prettier every day ever since I got married. That's so sweet. So I actually really like being married. I think Kenny and I just get along so well. Like we're like the same person, but he's a man, I'm a woman. We're just like so compatible. We really understand each other. So I really like that. By the way, this is the Ciate London eyeshadow palette in bronze. Again, super like neutral shades. I'm using this one right here. And I'm just putting that on my crease. Super simple. Married life is definitely fun. I actually went from living with my parents to living with Kenny, so I never really lived alone. So I don't know what it's like to live alone, but I'm sure that it's maybe a little bit lonely. It's not something that I would really want. Like in the beginning, it took a little bit of like getting used to for me to like live with him, but it was also very nice at the same time. More like independent, more free, I guess, even though that's kind of like corny to say. It was just very interesting because since I lived with my parents before I lived with Kenny, I felt like I had to always ask my parents for permission to go out and do this and that. Even when I was older, like I was like 26 when I got married, it was just different. I mean, my parents weren't like super strict and I love them. Like I always see them multiple times a week. We live actually very close. But it's just nice to like feel a little bit more independent with your spouse. Like now we can just kind of like go out, go on a trip and not have to like ask anybody, you know what I mean? So it's super nice. Like if we just want to drive somewhere, we're out and we're just like, oh, we're bored, let's go here, let's do this, let's do that, you know what I mean? We love to travel. But yeah, it's super nice. I actually really like it. I actually put the same shade down here, by the way, and I feel like we've been able to get way closer ever since we got married, we started living together. So it was a nice transition. The other question is, where do you put all the hair tools you buy? So great question. Some of them are in here. This is where I put some of my hair tools and hair products. So I have some stuff right here. I have products right here. Shampoo, conditioner. I have some stuff up here as well. But I really do give away a lot of hair tools if I know I'm not going to use them again. So I give away to friends and family. But yeah, and then over here I have some more stuff. So I have this, like this is a gift that I'm gonna give away today to a friend. So I'm always like trying to give away because this is a lot of stuff that I don't need. Like these are all my curling irons and these are the ones that I actually use the most. Like if I have one that's repeated or anything, I always try to give it away because it's just too much. And yeah, some blow dryer brushes. But I put everything in here in my studio, and I also give away a lot of hair tools to friends and family. I'm actually doing a giveaway today in this video because it's the holiday season and because I feel like I haven't done one in so long, and scammers will try to like make this fake account of me with my picture and my name and everything and comment in my videos saying, oh, you want a giveaway? Reach out through Telegram. I don't even have Telegram. So if you see a comment like that, just ignore it, report it, because that is not me. Whenever someone wins a giveaway, I will message them directly through Instagram. I never just like comment on a video or anything like that. So yeah, please ignore that. But let me show you guys what I'm going to be giving away in this video. So give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. So this is the dry bar kit. This has products. It has a blow dryer brush. I think it has the double shot. Yeah, the double shot right here. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but it brings some of my favorite hair products, even the Prep Rally Spray, in a full size, and you do get 2 smaller sizes as well. But yeah, if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below your Instagram, and like this video. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you can go ahead and do that as well. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm gonna be giving it away to one of you guys, so definitely enter the giveaway. And again, thank you guys so much for the love and support, especially 2024. Like 2024 was a huge year and it was just a super busy year and it was amazing. So thank you guys for everything. I'm gonna be doing more giveaways, and please ignore all the comments of scammers. What is your exercise routine? How many times do you exercise? I actually do bar 3, It is a combination of Pilates, yoga, and ballet. It is the best. I've been trying to do more cardio at home, like on the treadmill. So I've been trying to do that a little bit more. I do like to walk in the park, but it's so cold outside, so I've been trying to do the treadmill more at home. By the way, I'm using this Lancome mascara. But yeah, bar is the best. It is so fun. If you have a bar 3 near you, you should definitely try it. It really helps with your glutes, with your muscles, with, you know, the gains. I have noticed a little bit of gains, okay? I mean, I'm so corny, but like, you know, the workouts are working, okay? I definitely have to incorporate a little bit more of cardio into my routines, but bar is really nice for toning, so totally recommend. Okay, I like this question. Pick one hair tool that you own that you couldn't live without. Oh my god, what a hard question. Like, if I could only have one hair tool, which one would it be? But I'm gonna go with the GHD Duet Blowdry. But I'm just picking that one because it's a 2-in-1 hair tool. You can use it on wet hair and you can use it on dry hair. So I can use it to blow out my hair. I can also use it to touch up my blowout. It also gives me a pretty sleek blowout. Like whenever I use that hair tool, I most of the time don't have to use a straightener or anything to get my roots a little bit more straight. I feel like that hair tool really gives me a super sleek blowout, like straight from wet curly hair. So I have to go with that one. It's so worth it. I really like it. I've been obsessed with it. And it gives you a little bit of a curl. For lips, I'm going to be using this one. This is the NYX. I didn't even know the brand of this. I just got this on Amazon as well. I'm going to be using this one in the shade Sans Beige. So you guys really liked the like nude lip that I had the other day. It was this. So I just like to line my lips. I'm going for a very natural look today, like I said. Do you do curly hair videos? Honestly, not a lot. I feel like I like a good blowout. Like sometimes I'll leave my hair curly, but most of the time I like a good blowout, if I'm being honest. I don't post a lot of curly videos, but if you do want a curly influencer that is amazing at curly videos, I definitely recommend following my sister Vanessa on TikTok. So I'm going to be putting her TikTok right here. Definitely give a follow and check out her videos because her curls are insane. Super nice. Oh, by the way, I used this on my lips. This is the Sacheu Beauty Lip Elixir in Bunny Ear, so clear. So I just put that right on top just to give it like some shine, you know. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I'm gonna take these clips off. Let's see how my hair turned out. I actually used the Tymo today to do my hair. Love it. So Tymo Curl Go. By the way, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Before you leave this video, don't forget to enter the giveaway because this hair tool and this like kit, this bundle is so cool. I don't have any other like juicy questions, but thank you so much for watching. Anyways, I have to go now. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and yeah, I love you guys so much.